And a check on the forecast now with Kyle. We're seeing some rain today, but luckily nothing like that day 1 month ago.
Yeah, nothing like that day at all, and that is certainly some good news. I was actually in Storm Chaser 7 that day when we were in Tama County. That was some of that video you were showing. Tama County, of course, hit hard with 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts, but of course it was Cedar Rapids that did see the peak wind gusts of 140 miles per hour on the southwest side of town. The road to recovery will continue, and we will be there with you every step of the way. This morning in Cedar Rapids, we are dealing with a little bit of rainfall. This is not heavy rain, but just enough to get those windshield wipers going here on your morning commute. This is a live look at I-380. Some traffic is flowing here on a Thursday morning. We do have the areas of rain and drizzle. Cedar Rapids actually only getting about 1/10 of an inch of rain here since midnight Wednesday. So it's just been kind of a steady light rain and drizzle, so it doesn't really add up much. But we've had some steadier rain in Waterloo, a couple of heavier downpours leading to about 1.15 inches since midnight yesterday. Dubuque getting about 3/10 of an inch and just a few hundredths in Iowa City. We'll probably add about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch here through today, and then maybe 1 to 2 inches here through Saturday as we continue with our chances for rain. The red tracker does stay in the green, not expecting any severe weather, nor are we expecting any flooding, which is certainly some good news. As Daniel was just mentioning, we've just been really dry here over the last couple of months, but really since the last several days, since Saturday, we've seen quite a bit of rainfall. In fact, these pinks and purples, that's anywhere from 4 to 6 inches or more of rain. That's a lot of rain in just a short amount of time. And again, we will be adding to those rain totals not only today, but as we head through the next couple of days. Storm Track 7 live Doppler radar does show quite a bit of rain across eastern Iowa. Kind of zoomed into some of those steadier rains in anywhere from Elkader down towards Strawberry Point, seeing some of that steady rain, and that continues back toward Olwine, Reedland, Waverly, and even toward Allison and Parkersburg. Some light rain falling right now in Grundy Center and Waterloo, but the farther south you go, the drier we are. There might be a few specks of drizzle around Iowa City and down toward Washington, but some steadier rain is on the way as this batch of rain in northern Missouri does continue to track its way off to the north and east. Behind that, we've got this upper level low pressure system. That'll be our next weather maker that tracks off to the north and east out of the Rockies and will bring us our rain chances Friday into Saturday. So for today, the rain's going to be pretty widespread, at least some light rain. Here we are at 9 a.m. Even though Future Track shows a lot of dry conditions, these are low clouds, so they likely will be producing some of that drizzle. So just plan on a wet day. Certainly have the rain gear handy. As we head through the afternoon hours, the rain will become a little bit less widespread. We'll continue with a mostly cloudy sky with areas of drizzle and light rain overnight. Then as we head into Friday, more of the same. Even though Future Track not hinting at it, we're likely going to see areas of light rain and drizzle through the morning hours. The better chance of rain going to come as we head into the afternoon and evening. Rain potential here through Saturday, anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to 2 inches. So it just kind of depends on where the heavier bands of rain sets up. But you get the idea that our wet pattern is going to continue through the first half of the weekend. 10-day forecast does show those temperatures this weekend warming into the 70s. And then Sunday through much of next week, it does look like conditions will stay dry. Highs could touch 80 degrees by the middle of next week.